I think the board panel is fried. I need official permission from the commander to open the panel.
Oh boy, everything is falling apart. It's this whole...
Here the dialogue is being implemented with WWISSE external audio source. The implementation required creating an XML script for WWISSE to reference the external audio files. Also creating a folder with the original audio and a destination folder for WWISSE to store the generated .wem audio files. Creating the dialogue system using Unreal behavioral trees, and posting the events in blueprints using the asset external source media with IDs node. When the dialogue is taking place in a noisy environment, the volume of the ambient sound is attenuated via the ambience volume RTPC. This gain parameter is driven by a meter effect in the ambient sidechain bus, which receives the signal from the dialogue actor mixer.
Press E to interact.
Hello, Kimbot. Have you seen the Lord Commander?
No, I have not. Have you checked at the lab?
I don't like going down there. It's creepy.
For this project, I created an interactable actor class for the player to interact with. The main character has a scan functionality where by holding the right mouse button down and moving the mouse around, they can trigger a reaction from the interactable object in the scene. When triggered, the interactable actors play a main character monologue which is related to the specific interactable object in the scene.
As I glance over at the unconscious patient lying on the examination table, a wave of curiosity washes over me.
The play audio function in the interactable actor has an exposed variable for the media ID. This ID will set the correct dialogue for the external audio source dialogue event. Since the variable is exposed, we can edit it whenever we place a new interactable actor in the scene.
I've been on edge ever since they brought in that subject for the findings from the full body scan have left me utterly astounded. Not only did we detect no alien... Let's check our inbox. Oh, a message from the Lord Commander. Press E to interact.
Hello, Kimbot.
In this prototype, I created a WAPI script to load voice accessibility files with their corresponding switch containers, switch groups, time stretch sound effects, and events. By copying this script 5 times and changing its variables, I ended up with 5 accessibility voiceover commands. I can click each of these scripts once and instantly generate all the necessary building blocks for the implementation in WWISSE. In the Unreal project, all the voice accessibility functions start by checking if accessibility features are on. Most of the voice accessibility logic is pretty basic, with the exception of the dialogue reply prompts. When the player is prompted to select a reply by pressing the key X, there are 2 scripts working in conjunction. In the player blueprint, with a looped multi-gate node, we can post the audio event replies in order and set different integer values for a response index. Then in the dialogue widget, we can update the response index and post the correct dialogue reply based on the last response index.
Choose your answer. Press X to listen and to cycle through your answers. Yes. No. Not sure.
I don't want to get you in trouble for leaving your post.